Hi, this is Haley 8 Chow, and this is my eraser collection. I'll start with my animal collection. These are the very first ones I got. They're pandas. These are just hamsters. And these are just other animals like a horse, a fish, and a duck. It's really funny because the fish, if you take it apart, it looks like a skeleton. And this is just an eraser. It's like a starfish or something that says you're number 1 on it. And this is a really rare Japanese eraser. It's like a samurai. And this is a soccer ball. So, that's my eraser collection. Do you like it?